Welcome to my channel ABC Color Art. A is for alligator. B is for bat. C is for cherry. D is for duck. E is for elephant. F is for fish. G is for grape. H is for hen. I is for igloo. J is for Jen. K is for kite. L is for line. M is for monkey. N is for nose. O is for orange. P is for pumpkin. Q is for queen. R is for rose. S is for sun. T is for tiger. U is for umbrella. V is for van. W is for watermelon. X is for Xmas tree. Y is for yacht. Z is for zebra. D C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. और साथ साथ हम कलर सीखेंगे light pink color. A for apple. Sky blue color. B for ball. Green color. C for carrot. Red color. D for dove. Brown color. E for elephant. Light pink color. F for frog. Red color. G for grapes. Brown color. H for hands. Purple color.
I for ice cream, green color. J for joker, sky blue color. K for kite, brown color. L for lemon, light pink color. M for mango, red color. N for nest, brown color. O for onion, purple color. P for pumpkin, red color. Q for queen, purple color. R for rose, brown color. S for sun, green color. T for tiger, sky blue color. U for umbrella, purple color. V for van, light pink color. W for watermelon, red color. X for Xmas tree, purple color. Y for jar, sky blue color. Z for zebra. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम बच्चों, आज हम सीखेंगे कैपिटल लेटर ए टू जी तक। क्या सीखेंगे? ए से लेके जेड तक ए बी सी, और साथ साथ हम कलर नेम सीखेंगे। ब्राउन कलर, ब्लैक कलर, लाइट पिंक कलर, लाइट ग्रीन कलर, red color, orange color, yellow color, magenta color, blue color, purple color, green color, sky blue color, A for airplane, B for butter, C for car, D for dog, E for elephant, F for frog, G for grapes. H for hen. I for igloo. J for joker. K for kite. L for lemon. M for mango. N for nose. O for orange. P for pear. Q for queen. R for rose. S for sun. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watermelon. X for Xmas string. Y for yak. Z for zebra. E, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z। बच्चों इस वीडियो में हमने क्या सीखा, A to Z तक अल्फ़ाबेट्स। अगर वीडियो पसंद है तो सब्सक्राइब करें, वीडियो को लाइक करें। थैंक फॉर वॉचिंग।